Okay, we're back, and this time with 1080p resolution to be a little bit better. HTML, CSS, I mentioned earlier that, hey, colors shouldn't always just be written out. Sometimes they are, I think I said alphanumeric. In fact, they are hexadecimal. 0 to 9, A through F. Crazy, right? Says Codecademy. Not too crazy, but cool. We can switch over to the CSS tab, see all the different colors. And I've already hit save and submit to continue. And let's motor through the second half of CSS, an overview. Roses are red. Hex color palette gives us a whole bunch of options. We know that. I always start with a pound sign. They're up to 6 digits long, case insensitive. Yep, good. All right. Pretty simple here. We're going to change the H3 color to that. Roses are red, violets are blue. Get the H2 color here. Color. Boom. Boom. I don't particularly like that red, but done. Next lesson. All right. Pixels and M's. About adjusting font size. You can use pixels, PX, fine. Pixels, a dot on your computer screen. Pixels work when you want exactly on their screen what's on yours. M's. M's are different than the emphasis tag. M is a relative measure. 2M would be twice as big, 0.5M, half that size. Got it. Set 3 different paragraphs to the font size, 1M, 0.5M. Save, yeah, alright, this is where Codecademy drives me nuts. Alright, I save, and way to go for hitting a button. Look, I see that all this is half of an M. Just to illustrate, you can make this 0.5 of an M, 1.5. How far does it go? That didn't seem to make much of a difference. Maybe it's a 0.1 M. I make a change. Hard to see. There it is. But very cool. All right. Roses are red. I think we've already done this. Yep. Start next lesson. Pick the font size. Save and submit. Yep. Start next lesson. Font of knowledge. I've also asked you to change the font family. Scene Verdana, Courier, and Garamond. How many fonts? Most computers understand popular fonts, but each computer has different fonts installed. CSS is different, as built-in fonts. Serif, decorative bits. Sans serif, plain-looking font. Cursive, scripty font. Oh, they're going to show us how to import fonts later in the course. Font family of the H1 tag to font family serif. H2, we're going to do this. Make it font family of sans serif. Let's see if the spacing matters here between what I have line 2 and line 6. H3, same deal. Font family, cursive, just play around. Color, red. You can see how it all goes. Now, this is applying. You can do other attributes, and the spacing didn't make a difference here. comments don't make a difference here either. Color. See, we randomly FA102. Nice little pink. Okay, save and submit code. H2. Did I do my H2 font family to sans serif? Sure thought I did. All this mess things up. Let's get rid of it. Boy, I really thought I did. But I didn't do it to sans serif. I have sans serif. I'm going to get busted on cursive. Am I going to get busted on cursive? The funny thing is, it looks like this already was different in a sans serif font. Anyway, again, details are important. Spelling everything out. Double check. It's one of the tough parts for me. Backup values. You tell CSS to try various ones. Interesting. So it's just a straight sequence times Verdana Vivaldi. Easy. Yeah, cursive Vival. What I don't know is why these things aren't turning the light orange. But I've got it. I'm just going to mess around here. One other thing. I want to see if times Vivaldi web dings courier Arial. Yeah. Does that work? Looks like you can probably have a limitless sequence, or at least it didn't generate an error. Or maybe because we already have these, it doesn't even get down there. All right, let's try our next lesson. Great work. Property value pairs. Time for a little free play. Use HTML, practice what you've learned, hit save and submit code when you're ready to move on. I'm really not going to go bananas here. I'm playing as I go along. I don't need to do that now. I finished this section. Selecting elements. Background, color, height, and width. Remember our friend div? I do remember div. In the style sheet, all right, we're going to do background, color, height, and width. So am I supposed to do this just for div? I already knew that, yeah. Height, fix, width, 100 pixels. believe they just want that to be for div. Looks like your div isn't 100 pixels high. It appears to be 0 pixels high. Well, I don't know about that. Let's see. Oops, I am getting phone text messages. I'll be right back. Okay, and we are back. And let's see, div is not 100 pixels high. Yes, it is. No, it isn't, because I used an equal sign. All right. Hello. There's my div. Look at that nice square red div. Boom. Start next lesson. All right. Bordering on insanity. Love the border. Selector. Select your table data cells. Have a height of 50 pixels. Should be easy. TD. Boom, boom. Height. Not equal sign, but that and 50 pixels. Let's test some spacing there. Table data border. 1 pixel. Huh. Dashed blue. Does that work? Yes, it does. See some dashes in blue on the right. And I'm going to give the whole table a border of 1 pixel. Solid black. 9 blocks. Just curious where there 9 blocks is from there, not the style sheet. Good. Save and submit code. Way to go. Start the next lesson. Links and text decoration. Yeah, text decoration, setting links, doesn't have to be. Style sheet, give your, that's the way, I'm going to just change the link look, fine. A select, aha, so we're just changing that old anchor element. Color, CC, 0. Text decoration. None. Null set. Boop. It's easy. Finish the section. Before I go on, I just want to see text decoration option CSS. What are the other cool things we can do? Line through. Nice. Underline. Overline. Huh. Just want to see what that looks like. Sweet. Next review. HTML, CSS, Bffs. Yep. Very cute. Add a link tag between the head and head tags. See, I think the href is not enough. I remember using that. Do I need the rel and type? I did not. Yep. See. Well, this one wants the... And what's the rel again? Yep. Rel. Rel equals style sheet. Why did some of this all go yellow on me? Don't get it. I'm going to keep charging on. What other rel options are. But we'll start the next lesson. Many selectors, many properties. Yep. Got that. All right. Within the body of the page, I'm going to add a pair of h1 tags. H1, boom. Copy this, paste it. Let's go Pirates. Let's go A's. And let's see what that's going to look like. Let's go A's. I'm clearly missing some type of closing element here. Is it because I use single quotes there and double quotes here? Maybe. That looks better. Still have some problem of something unclosed. Why is that? Type equals, because the X1 here. These editors mean well by giving two quotes, but it sometimes messes things up. All right, let's go Pirates, let's go A's. CSS, add a pair of P tags below your H1 header. Fine. Just for bonus. A's don't. Okay, that's all done. Style, let's make sure we didn't lose it. Style sheet. H1. Font family. Verdana. Color. 576D94. Probably should have just copy and pasted that, but fine. And P, womp, womp. Font size. 18 pixels. Color. 4A4943. Did I get that right? Is that just another color black? Spacing here sucks. Okay. Save as my code. Way to go. Start next lesson. We're almost done. Mega Sweet fonts. This is about the backup choices. So the P font family. Garamond. Easy. Font family. Garamond. H1. Sans serif, not sans serif. And backup font of serif. Done. Easy. Start next lesson. Size and borders. More stuff. Add an image. That would be nice. Let's take this CSS color picker image. Good. Okay. Image source equals. Don't need to close out the image. Image height 100, width to, okay. So interesting. So the image, I can set this for all the images. That's what happens. Height 100 pixels. Width 300 pixels. Border 1 pix. Solid 4, 6, A2B4. Well, mangles the image, but we get the point. Save, submit code. Boom. Start next lesson. Got it. Links and text decoration. Add a link to your HTML page. Yeah. Love MLB.tv. A. Done. And we are going to change a text decoration none color CC finish this course. All right, thanks everybody. Feel free to ask some questions if you want in the comments. Thanks for watching.